Hey everybody, it's Uncle B. Are you ready for your walk today? I know you're ready because I'm ready. Listen, I got my Baby La Vita t-shirt on. You know what? Live life, that's right. Every day, just get up, you gotta do it, let's go do it, come on. Now today, this song is talking about take a walk with me, make your day better. If you do these walks every day, this little 3-minute boost is gonna make you feel so good. So, holidays are right around the corner. Let's get our walks in. Come on. By the way, nobody has the music like I got. Let's go. All right, man? Are you ready? Catch that beat. Let's go. Your posture.
Take a walk with me today. Hey, hey. Let your troubles fade away. Yeah, yeah. Feel that rhythm in your soul. Oh, we're getting strong, we're in control.
Success.
Take a walk with me today. Come on. Find that joy along the way. Move your feet and feel better each mile. Walk it out. Show me that smile.
Push pull.
Energy rising, we're alive. Every heartbeat testifies. You don't need fancy moves to play. Just step in rhythm, seize the day.
Take a walk.
Take a walk with me today. Hey, hey. Let your troubles fade away. Yeah, yeah. Feeling free in the golden sun. We're walking strong till the day is done.
Some kicks.
Take a walk with me today. Come on. Find that joy along the way. We're lifting spirits every way. Take a walk with me today.
Little higher on your hands. Throw it up from the shoulder. Back to the walk. How about some push pulls? Sentence. Woo! Push ball. Back to the walk. Boom kicks. Woo! You did great today. See you next time. Don't forget, become a member and you can do all the walks back to back. So that means you can do as many as you want in one day without commercials. You never get any music like you're going to get right here with me, Uncle B. See you later.
Take a walk with me today. Come on. Find that joy along the way.